Hello everyone, welcome back to my second video on Withsage. So today's video, picture this. You have been getting better at your skincare routine, you're using your products, everything is looking good, skin is looking clean, smooth, and then you think, all right, well, let me try this that's been sitting there. I haven't used that yet. Oh, and I have this mask. I haven't used this mask in a minute. Let me mask. Let me do it again tomorrow and the night after that. And then you wake up, skin is a mess. It's red, it's flaky, you're breaking out, and it's like, what happened? As a professional makeup artist and a beauty blogger, I get sent a lot of PR and products to try and review, and I do that a lot on my Instagram. And there's some pressure, there's some pressure to use the newest thing that comes out. And it's like, oh, everyone is trying it, I want to try it too, and then you mess up a good thing, because at the end of the day, you only have like one face. I mean, you can buy another face, but you only have one skin. Let's say that. You only have one skin. Right? So you really need to protect it, but I'm here to say, don't panic. Don't stress. It can be fixed. It's just temporary. First, let's assess what really happened to your skin. So as you know, your skin is the largest organ covering your body, and it protects everything inside it. But did you know that your skin also has its own protection too? Because your skin does need to be protected. That's the only way it's going to be able to do its job, which is to protect everything else inside. Right? So what that's called is your skin's barrier. And it does literally as the name suggests. I like to keep things simple here for understanding, because I know that with all of the information out there, things can get very overwhelming and confusing. So the skin barrier, as the name suggests, it's the barrier of your skin. It basically keeps all of the bad stuff out of your skin, like pollution, dirt, things like that. It keeps it out, and then it keeps the good things in. Things like your hydration levels, your moisture, your water content in your skin. Now, what happens when you overuse a product, you use the incorrect product, you over exfoliate, you try too many new things at once, you have an allergic reaction to something, you eventually just wear that barrier down, and that leaves your skin with no protection, and everything just goes haywire after that. It's just a hot mess. And how do you know if you've messed up your skin barrier? Well, you can experience a trigger in skin disorders like eczema, rosacea, psoriasis, or you can get excessively oily. If you have oily skin, you get even more oil because your skin is trying to correct itself. You might experience random breakouts. Your skin could get very red, very irritated when you start applying products that should be gentle. They're burning, so if you're experiencing any of that, chances are you have damaged your skin barrier. But again, don't panic, because it can be repaired. What I do to fix mine when I wreck my skin barrier, because even though I know better, sometimes it does happen, I have what I call my oh shit kit. Trademark. Spoken about this before on my Instagram. You can give me a follow there. I'm at Skincare with Saj. Basically, it's a collection of products that are made for repairing, healing, and soothing the skin. Now, once you've realized that you have hurt your skin barrier in any way, the first thing you do is stop. Stop everything. Stop. Just whatever you're using, whatever you're doing, stop. Do not use hard vitamin C serums. Don't use your acid toners, your Peels from the Ordinary, all of those guys. take a pause, take a minute. Products that I have here, and I'm going to go through them with you guys. I personally have oily, acne-prone skin, and I am prone to congestion and breakouts. Now, one of the things that you also need to be careful with when picking soothing products is a lot of times they tend to have ingredients that just aren't the greatest for oily and acne-prone skin. They tend to be very heavy, very occlusive, and you don't want to add more of your previous problem that threw you into the spiral why you damage your barrier in the first place. You just want to make sure that the soothing products that you pick are compatible for your skin type. So don't just grab something that says it's soothing, because it could very well have coconut oil in there. Be aware of the skin type that you have and choose your products accordingly.
First up in my kit is a cleansing water. I like to use this in place of a regular cleanser, and this one in particular doesn't leave any residue behind on my skin. Next is a soothing gel and nourishing treatment oil from Dr. Alcatis. I discovered this brand after my first pregnancy. Very soothing, packed with nutrients and antioxidants. And this is also one of their masks, the Organic Universal Mask. Then a Cicapair Tiger Grass Serum from Dr. Jarrett. This helps with calming redness and irritation, along with their ceramide liquid. And the Snail Mucin Essence from COSRX. For spot treating, I use this clay mask, La Rosette from Gunilla of Sweden. I get this from my esthetician. If I need an ointment, I use the Silk Cess from Cesderma. And for moisturizer, the water cream from Tatcha. A soothing blemish control sheet mask, this one from MediHeal is a favorite, and the herbal toner from Dr. Schwab is also a favorite of mine.
So I will link to all of these products in the description that you can have a look at them. But what's key is the actual ingredients that are in them. So some of the ingredients that you want to look for: one, Centella asiatica. That is an herb, and it basically is really good at reducing redness and inflammation in the skin. Second, I do really like the snail mucin. That is healing. That has helped me heal from chemical burn. That's another story. If you guys want to know about that, comment and let me know, and I'll do a video about that. But third is ceramides. Those are sort of like fatty lipids that will just continue adding hydration and allow the skin to, I want to say regenerate, but not really heal. You know, everything here is just about healing and soothing and calming down irritation. Fourth, you will want a pH balancing toner. That is what I use this for. And that is just really to reset the skin, because chances are you've thrown your pH completely off whack by damaging the skin barrier. And then finally, this is also great for drier skins, a protective ointment. And that would help to seal all of the treatments that you've put on to keep everything in. And again, it provides a healing and protective layer on the skin, and your skin will be back to normal in no time. So comment, guys, and tell me if you have an oh shit kit, if you're gonna get one, what products have you been using to soothe your skin? Have you ever ruined your skin barrier? Chances are you have. So just comment and tell me what you did wrong and what you're gonna do to fix it, and let's chat about it together. Of course, don't forget to hit like also and hit subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.